All right, TH3D. My name is Tom Paccioretti. I'll show you that in the email, but I wanted to do this video for you to show you where are we. So I've taken out the Creality board, and I want to install the EZBoard version 2. My version, my Creality is Ender 3 Pro. And I got a couple of questions here right from the start. I've got this fan here, and I'm wondering which of these fans this goes to. Number two, I'm going to put a new head on it. I'm one of those people that have, because things didn't work right, I just started buying upgrades. And so right now I'm working on this along with that, which means I have to put in a new hot end, and then the thermistor. So that wraps around and goes back onto here, of which I've got these two crimped cables for the hot end, and then for the thermistor I've got these white wires, which I suspect I have to put into like a two-prong terminal. I just don't know where they go, and I want to know if these, where is it? Come back here. If the hot end, I know it goes in here. Let me get a better picture here. I know it goes in here, but I don't know if they're polarized or not. If you can help me there, and then also I've got two more danglies. I got a dangly here for Z. So there's one Z that's dangling, and I think I got another Z dangling around here. Yeah, this one here is a come on, buddy. Get focus here. This is what? Come on. It's another Z. So I got these two Z's dangling out here. I don't know where they're supposed to go. So this goes to the, I know this goes to the extruder head. So I've created quite a mess here, and that's why I'm asking for your help.